today we're gonna go ahead and look at the Malwood clutch assembly, hydraulic clutch assembly. And as it says right here, let's see what's in the box. Let's take the garbage out of it, but very well needed, you know, safety first. Ooh. Check this out. Put this here. Okay. Well, it's beautiful to begin with. Really good finish. Now, this design allows them to go ahead and straight mount this right beside the original brake and clutch assembly on number 66 stock mount. I'm just trying to inspect and see if nothing is out of the order. Okay, everything looks good, but well made and great finish. All we gotta do is take this particular bolt out and mount it in the existing hole and tied it all up. Now there is one more hole right here, but you're gonna use that to secure it, but the lever's good, you know, nice and easy. We have a rubber hose that attaches to our reservoir, which will be next in line. I'm gonna put this aside. Let's see what we got in here. This is the bolt I was talking about. This is another extra bolt with some fasteners, right? Goes right here. This is the clutch line. Nice steel braided. So this attaches right at the very end of our line. So push through it. Now, last but not least, we got our reservoir. Well, isn't this nice? A nice billet aluminum reservoir. It's pretty sleek. I mean, this really does increase the look of our engine bay. Pretty sweet. I don't see any other hardware to secure this to the wall. I guess that's something that we would have to get our own, but it would have been nice to provide that. I mean, come on. Shit was pretty expensive. It's around $600. So, you know, they could at least provide that. So, there we go. Fill this up. Secure this to the firewall, attach this to the existing brake and clutch assembly, and we are good to go. No modification required. This is a perfect candidate for our Coyote swap. This particular model, or I guess the clutch assembly, was made for 1966, I believe. So 64 to... yeah, it says 64 to 66, so there you have it. So that is all. They give you a little clamp here that once it's secured, you can clamp it back on. I'm just gonna remove it since, you know, not installing at the current moment. I'm gonna put it all back, nice and packed. They give you little stickers from Malwood under dash. You get a little instructions, pretty good that, you know, we don't really have to worry about reading anything, as we all kind of in the same boat regarding this, but give you a nice little QR, scan it, go to YouTube and look up the setup. I like it. I'm not a big fan of reading, but you know, if I have to, I will, but if there's a video, I better watch it. Aren't you doing the same thing? So there we have it. And that's a wrap. I'm gonna quickly show you the close-up of it. If someone knows a really good fab work, I am pretty damn sure that you can fab one up in your home, so-called, if someone's really good at it. Obviously this looks like a very well CNC work, but again, it can easily be fabbed. Obviously they have not done too much to hide anything, you know, everything is pretty straightforward. You know, I might, so just to match it with other thing, I might end up cutting this off and attaching stock Coyote pedals, but let's see. But that's it, folks. That's a wrap. See you in the next video. Peace out.